back at the smart car today. So, common thing, upgrade them speakers. My word, they're pants. The factory ones, that is. So, I haven't seen any videos on this. So, hopefully I can get this in the right order because I've already taken it out. So I shall try and film it and put it in reverse order so it makes sense. Yeah. And underneath the steering wheel, because you're going to need to move this out the way, there is one either side, and there's two underneath there. Again, T10, and you're going to need a screwdriver for that. So, worth buying one. At the centre dash, you need to undo those four T10 again, screws, get the dials out, and this bit you can see here, there we go, just there and there. So when you're prising it out, it's flush in at the top and then just clicks down. So you're prising just there. If you're looking down the gap, you can see the prongs. You just need to go in, prise that way, and they'll pop out. Obviously, pull all the heater control knobs off, and just down here you can see up there there's another T10 screw, and then this side again, just up there, another T10 screw, and that's all that's holding this on, or your stereos out. Alright, so behind the steering wheel there is one, so you get a T10 on a ratchet. You can get in there and get on that. There's one that side. And then a T30 just through there. That's the left hand eyeball. Just grab hold of it and give it a pull. It comes straight out. That's all that holds the dash in. Reinstalling the dash. It's deemed that these clips, 3 of them, sometimes come out with the dash. Apparently it's easier to leave them attached to the car and slide the dash back into them. There they are. The speaker pods are bolted in 3 places. You've got a 10mm bolt, I think it was, at the back, and a Torx bit down there, focus on it, and one there, that's easy to see. So that's driver's side. Passenger side, got the same again, 10mm bolt up there, and then just down there, you see him, and another one just down there. Okay, so nice, easy to install. Well, bit of a fiddle holding the screws to get them down there, but all good. Don't know if anybody else has had this trouble. So the lovely upgraded speakers with enclosures and enclosure 2. Fundamentally, driver's side, that wire, it was so close to going on, but wouldn't quite go. All I did was reroute the wire ever so slightly, and I cut back a little bit of the tape holding that wire to the wiring loom. It just gave it enough. Honestly, I can't describe how close it was to almost plugging in. So if you do come across that problem, just snip back the tape around the wiring loom. And that's it. It should just have enough there. Still clear in the steering column, so it's all good. So here's the car wiring loom, plugs to the stereo. So you've got the main power that side. You've got the tabs on top so you can't get them around the wrong way. They're offset. And that one. And they've cheaped out. They've only fitted it, get a bit closer, with 2 channels. So I've got an extension plug. So same fittings either end. I just snipped the wires, picked up the other channel for the rear speakers, and they are going to go, yet to do it, they're attached on bullet connectors to the tweeters on the dash. There we go.